Elite package, loaded, 3.5 liters Ecoboost engine, all-wheel drive, AWD technology package, lane keeping system, adaptive cruise control with collision warning, active park assist, blind spot monitoring system, panoramic Vista roof, power liftgate, powerful third row seating, 20-inch polished alloy wheels, Class 3 trailer tow package, and much more. With any questions and to take advantage of this internet special, please contact Jeremiah Wright. Ask him about financing, extended service plan, or an auto check history report and Carfax. Please call us to check availability and to schedule a test drive. Prices do not include G8 tag or title. Must print ad to receive quoted price and signed by Internet Manager. X_. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors. Please visit our home website to view a free auto check history report and Carfax.